Singapore is an amazing country for holiday making. You would wonder why I say so. Food is awesome and relatively cheap. You can get to most places in Singapore with ease. Landmarks, buildings are very attractive. Singaporeans speak English well, so we can find it easy to communicate with them. I'm sure you won't miss out Merlion. Do you know how many Merlions can you find in Singapore? We will discover them in the coming video soon. Subscribe and launch your discovery journey with Holiday Maker Inspiration channel. You will be surprised how much treasures you can find in your discovery. Tourism Information Center is easy to locate. It is on 216 Orchard Road, just off Somerset MRT station and opposite 313 at Somerset Shopping Mall. On your arrival, information portal in the airport is extremely helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for your future discovery.